Do you know that which part of your LinkedIn profile makes most of the noise about you everywhere on LinkedIn? If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. In the previous videos, we had learned about the two subsections of the pitching section of the LinkedIn profile, that are the LinkedIn profile name and LinkedIn profile photo. Now these two parts are helping you to pitch yourself, to get visibility on LinkedIn and to convert the viewers into the visitors. Now today we are moving toward the third section of the pitching section of your LinkedIn profile, and that section is called the LinkedIn headline. LinkedIn headline is the most visible part of your LinkedIn profile and it is responsible for making the most of the noise about you everywhere on LinkedIn. Now if we compare it to the other two subsections like your LinkedIn profile name and your LinkedIn profile photo, it talks about you. Both of these things talks about you, that who you are, but your LinkedIn headline talks about the magic of you, that what value you can add to your network, like what value you can add to the people surrounding you. Now LinkedIn allows 120 characters to write a really catchy and impressive LinkedIn headline, and you need to use all these characters in a smart way. Now this is the feature of LinkedIn, that only the first 70 characters are visible everywhere on LinkedIn and the rest of the characters are visible when anyone visits to your profile. Now it depends upon you that how you write a LinkedIn headline to convert those viewers into the visitors, and then use your settings section to convert those visitors into buyers. So you need to write a really great LinkedIn headline. Now in the next video we will discuss that the most perfect formula to write a LinkedIn headline that will convert the viewers into the visitors. So if you had liked this video, then share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, if you had not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then must subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I am posting on this platform. Also follow Startivation on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.